Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update all apps on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Keeping your apps updated is important because updates often include new features, performance improvements, and important security fixes that help your phone run smoothly. Open the Play Store. The Play Store is the official app marketplace where Android users download and update their applications. Now look at the corner of the screen and tap on your Google account profile icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and app management. Next, tap on Manage Apps and Device. This section allows you to see all the apps installed on your phone and check if any updates are available. After opening it, look for the Updates Available option and tap on it. You will now see a list of all the apps that currently have updates available. At the top of the menu, you'll see the Update All button. Simply tap on it and your Android phone will begin updating all the apps automatically. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, so the updates download quickly without using too much mobile data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tips and daily tech tutorials.